Welcome to Mr. E Defense Academy presents Concealed Carry Basics, Part 1, Introduction. This is a series of videos designed just to review the basics of concealed carry. And so this first part, just an introduction to the video playlist. The principal goal of this video series is to review the knowledge, skills, and attitude necessary to carry a concealed firearm responsibly. What the video series is and is not. What it is a review of concealed carry basics. It's a basic familiarity with handguns and ammunition, and a firearm safety review. What the series is not, it is not handgun training, it's not a shooting course, it is not legal advice, and this video series will not result in you receiving a certificate or a permit of any kind. The law of the land, the U.S. Constitution, Amendment 2, a well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. And here is our disclaimer. There are inherent risks and other risks involved in the use of guns and ammunition in shooting, and any participant in this video series freely and voluntarily assumes and accepts those risks. This video series presents general information regarding firearm safety, self-defense, and the law, and is not intended to be comprehensive in any way, nor is it intended as legal advice. The laws governing firearm ownership, possession, and self-defense are subject to frequent changes through legislation and court interpretation, and that nothing in this course shall be taken as a definitive guide to the laws in your jurisdiction. For any legal questions, interpretation, or advice, please consult with a knowledgeable attorney.